Good afternoon, flock faces. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. This is Harrison Thomas featuring Launch July 2010. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a wash race with the Hoover Dynamic Next and the newer Hoover H Wash. We've got the 300 light version here. I would have had a 300 plus, but that broke, so we've got this. We are going to be doing a, what was it again? Day 59?
Yep.
60 degree. Day 59, 60 degree. And since the H-Wash doesn't have...
Oh shit.
Since the H-Wash doesn't have a day 59, they replaced it with Cotton Care 59. So we're just going to, well, Cotton Care 59 is basically Daily 59 anyway, it's just rebadged.
Yep. So that one has my duvet sheet in it.
This one has 40 degree.
Oh yeah, it only has 40. Oh, I didn't mean to put extra. I wanted to see if it had the hygiene.
I thought it was doing Cotton Care.
Yeah, that is Cotton Care.
I thought it was on Rapid. Or from Nigeria.
But yeah, that one's then got a duvet in it. We've got Unstoppables, Bold, and a tiny drop of that in each. They both fully work, both functioning, will be getting sold on eventually. But that one's had new brushes in it, so apologies for if the spin is louder than normal, or if you can hear that one over that one. But anyway, so
this one's recently had new brushes. That's why, because
yep, that's what it got sent here for. So we're all ready now. Everything's loaded up. 3. Do you want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
David.
Okay.
3. I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
David in the house.
Oh, it's not going to work, is it? Not yet, anyway.
In fact, if I move the camera forward just so that we have somewhere to walk out.
And then zoom out, yeah. Is that wide angle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. We can go around that. I'll just plug it in so my phone's still charged. Right, that should work if I...
And another point to note, the H-Wash doesn't have shock absorbers, so chances are this might be a potentially cheated race, but either way, we'll still see. I'll be surprised if all I'm going to say is I'll be surprised if the H-Wash wins, considering it's got no form of shock absorber in it.
See, my backpack always does that. It cuts out at first for no reason.
The Dynamic Next really needs to top up. Same with the H-Wash. There we go. Talk about perfect timing.
If it doesn't do a water level past the door seal, I'll fill it up manually. Yeah, just in case you guys wondering, I don't actually know if you can see that. Yeah, you can just about if it wasn't flickering. The reason why that's got hygiene on is because it then holds at 60 longer, because that's a duvet and that's just a sheet. they're not actually that dirty, but because it's summertime and in the UK today it's meant to be boiling, and I thought might as well just get these done because I normally wash them every 6 months, so good time to get them done and dusted. Because it's meant to be well hot on Monday, so if I don't get them dried by the weekend, they can stay out on the line for an extra day without worrying about rain. Oh yeah, there we go. You can see the whole thing actually if I do that now. Is that better? In and out. Yeah. Oh, we should have done a surface with spin first, just to deflate it. That's one thing we could have done. Hey ho. The motors sound exactly the same. Anyway guys though, this one I think is one of the last dynamic Nexts because it's got active steam.
And it's got the newer brush motor that Hoovers use nowadays.
Yeah, and also I don't know, well if you won't be able to tell on camera, but it's got the ever so slightly long, like deeper 10 kg cabinet, whereas the older ones shed, if I'm correct, all of the if you didn't have a 7 kg one basically, it shed the same cabinet, but then obviously 10 kg and above now are bigger because of the drum sizes. So that's one of the last, but then that's one of the first. This is basically just a rebadged
Dynamic Next.
yeah. But yeah, there we go. Yeah. That motor don't sound the healthiest.